Right now you're seeing U.S. Marines and sailors showcase the capabilities of landing craft air cushion and other amphibious assault vehicles at Camp Pendleton, California. Our focus is on the LCAC-106, a next-generation amphibious assault ship recently acquired by the U.S. Navy. Its job is to transport weapons, cargo, and personnel to shore and across naval territories. The U.S. Navy's partner, Tectron Systems, is set to build 11 of these ships. Details about the new ship are limited, but we know its top speed is 50 knots or 93 kilometers per hour. BMW R75. This list wouldn't be complete without mentioning the legendary BMW R75. This motorcycle and sidecar combination was produced for the German army from 1941 to 1944, and even saw action in the North African desert. Powered by a 745cc air-cooled two-cylinder engine, it delivers 26 horsepower and can reach speeds of up to 95 kilometers per hour, with a fuel consumption of 6.3 liters per 100 kilometers. Initially, there were plans to build 18,000 BMW R75 motorcycles during World War II. However, production stopped in 1944 after 16,510 units were made due to the design being too complex and costly. Lockheed Martin C-5 Galaxy. This giant can carry 6 MRAPs or 5 helicopters, and twice as much cargo as any other aircraft. Meet the Lockheed Martin C-5 Galaxy, the largest strategic transport aircraft in the U.S. Air Force. Stretching 75.5 meters in length, and with a wingspan of 67.9 meters, the C-5 Galaxy has an impressive history. Since its introduction, it has played crucial roles in both the defense of Israel during the Yom Kippur War and Operation Desert Storm. In a remarkable demonstration, a joint crew from the U.S. Air Force and Lockheed Martin set 43 world aviation records over 3 flights from Dover Air Force Base, Delaware, showcasing the C-5's ability to revolutionize global air transportation. Mobile Communication Center MCC-1. The Polish company Wojskowe Zakłady specializes in producing and maintaining equipment for the armed forces. Today, they showcase the MCC-1, a mobile communication center built on a YCH truck featuring a LTIS mast and ICT systems. This center is designed to work seamlessly with other communication equipment used by the Polish armed forces. The MCC-1 ensures high-quality and reliable voice and data transmission by automatically adjusting to changes in signal propagation. The truck's 5-axle chassis allows it to navigate various terrains, while the certified armored cab keeps the crew safe. Geox Cinch Rider. This vehicle from the Geox Cinch Rider group is notable for its air transportability. The compact rider can be parachuted from an aircraft. Its outstanding off-road capability comes from its mechanical locking differentials and a tight turning radius. With a payload of about 900 kilograms, the rider can haul an additional 400 kilograms with a trailer. It can also be fitted with 2 7.76 caliber machine guns and tow a MO-120 RT mortar. Overall, the Geox Cinch Rider is ideal for defending deployed areas or supporting the quick deployment of airborne troops. Aresa Patrol Boat. The largest shipyard for new vessel construction in Catalonia, Spain, introduces the coastal patrol vessel Aresa 4300 IPV Patrol. This vessel can be built using naval aluminum or entirely from composite materials. With an overall length of up to 40 meters and a displacement of up to 160 tons, the Aresa is driven by a powerful 6,000 horsepower engine. Its autonomy and capacity enable it to remain at sea for 20 days with a crew of 20. Additionally, it features an 8-meter ramp for launching a speedboat equipped with active and passive defense systems. This vessel serves as an ideal platform for various coastal missions, including patrolling, anti-piracy and anti-smuggling operations, troop transportation, search and rescue, and private security tasks. Voyager D-12 Carrier. Since 1995, UTV International's tracked vehicles have shown their worth in tough off-road conditions across the United States, Canada, and other countries. One model that stands out is the Voyager D12 personnel carrier, which is sure to catch the attention of not just the military but anyone needing to travel where there are no roads. This articulated hybrid electric all-terrain vehicle is built to transport 12 people. Its design prioritizes safety, with passengers seated in the front cab, while the engine is housed in the rear, reducing noise and vibration. The Voyager D12 can reach a top speed of 60 km per hour, and has a payload capacity of up to 5,200 kilograms. It's designed to handle extreme temperatures from 49 to -48 degrees Celsius. Thanks to its fully sealed chassis, this vehicle can also traverse long distances over rivers and flooded areas. Polaris MRZR Alpha. Here's another impressive buggy, this time from Polaris Government and Defense. Their MRZR Alpha comes in two versions, a 2-seater and a 4-seater. Let's focus on the latter. It's powered by a 1.5-liter common rail turbo diesel engine, features an 8-speed transmission, 32-inch tires, and an upgraded suspension with 30 centimeters of ground clearance. Weighing 1,315 kilograms, this buggy can carry a payload of 635 kilograms. The MRZR Alpha is designed to tackle virtually any terrain and task. Additionally, it meets airlift requirements and is sling-loadable to a helicopter. UHAC. This is the type of vehicle you might have seen at the RIMAC 2014. During tests, it delivered an off-road vehicle from the landing ship USS Rushmore to the shore. The key to this unusual amphibious vehicle is its air-filled caterpillar tracks, which act like floats to keep it on the water's surface. The vehicle is 13 meters long, 8 meters wide, weighs 38 tons, and travels through water at about 8 kilometers per hour. Thanks to its large track area, the vehicle exerts a ground pressure of only 0.07 kilogram force per centimeter squared, compared to nearly 10 times more pressure from a conventional troop carrier. It's important to note that this is just an experimental model. Plans are for the full-size vehicle to be twice as large and capable of carrying up to 150 tons of cargo to the shore. FNSS Kaplan Hybrid. The hybrid Kaplan vehicle with the new hybrid powertrain opens up a new era of military vehicles for future requirements of military operations around the world. That's the vision FNSS stands behind as it introduces its latest creation. Can you hear its engines running? That's what sets the Kaplan apart. Its silence. Its key feature is a hybrid diesel-electric propulsion system combined with advanced software and electronic controls, making it ideal for the most dangerous combat and reconnaissance missions. The high torque of the electric motors at low speeds gives the Kaplan acceleration comparable to a racing car, providing a significant advantage on the battlefield. Its low acoustic and thermal signatures make the Kaplan virtually undetectable despite weighing almost 20 tons. Playson Stormrider 4X4. This one stands out due to its enhanced security features. It can carry up to 10 passengers and offers full protection against ballistic threats, improvised explosive devices, and mines, meeting STANAG standards. The bus includes a blast-deflecting V-belly, floating floors, T-bar footpads, and energy-absorbing tear seats to ensure passenger safety and comfort. The Stormrider comes with a powerful and reliable powertrain, a permanent four-wheel drive transfer case, and a monocoque hull with multiple gun ports and an optional combat module. Passengers can respond to any external threat. People can exit the bus quickly and easily in just a couple of seconds. With a gross weight of 11.5 tons, the Stormrider provides enough space to transport both soldiers and cargo to any destination. Eskadron. The armored buggy Eskadron was developed by the Introl Consortium for the Russian Armed Forces. It's designed to transport tactical groups and is primarily intended for reconnaissance and sabotage units of the airborne forces. Details about this vehicle are scarce, but it's known to weigh about 3 tons and can accelerate up to 150 kilometers per hour. Its design allows it to handle even the toughest off-road terrain, while its low-temperature hybrid power plant enables quiet and stealthy movement in extreme conditions. The Eskadron is equipped with a 12.7mm Cord machine gun and several Kornet anti-tank missiles for high-risk combat missions. It features a single-seat armored capsule to protect the occupant. These vehicles and vessels demonstrate the cutting-edge innovations and capabilities of modern military technology. From land to sea, and even the skies, each one plays a crucial role in enhancing strategic operations and ensuring mission success. As technology continues to advance, the future of military mobility and defense looks even more promising. Thank you for joining us in exploring these remarkable machines that redefine the possibilities of combat and transport. Stay tuned for more updates and insights into the world of military engineering and innovation.